Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents Simple Remedy for Acid Reflux. Gastric acids are one of the most dangerous enemies of your stomach. Your doctor will probably prescribe you numerous medicines to reduce gastric acids, but still there is a unique natural medicine. Acids can corrode stomach and give you a feeling as if the whole food you have eaten is coming back with a totally different taste. Rice is the most simple remedy which will help you reduce gastric acids. It will simply replace all the pills your doctor prescribed you. It is enough to consume 9 raw rice seeds and half a glass of water. Rice absorbs fluids, acids, and they are easily eliminated from the body. Consuming rice is still not recommended if gastric acids bother you more often. In this case, you should consult your doctor and make some further examinations. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.